Hello, my name is Stefan Miksch and I'm a senior analyst with ARC. I want to show you what kind of custom projects you can do together with ARC. Our company is well known for its various market research reports, but we can also provide you custom research on your own specific requirements. Our customers often have questions regarding distinct market developments. They want to create new strategies or they want to enter new product markets, and of course, they want to know about the newest technical trends. ARC can provide this information and support you as a customer by defining and scoping the research together with you. We then go ahead and do the research. We consolidate the results of this research and provide them to you in any form of your choosing, either by an online presentation, through different kinds of documents, or with a live presentation to your team. This will help you to make more thoughtful decisions, add information to your own internal database, provide guidance in strategic development, and of course increase the market knowledge of you and your colleagues. Next to our dedicated custom market research, we also provide our market models. These give you a more granular view on individual product markets that are not included in our standard market reports. This means we can drill down the actual study data to a country level. You can choose the countries or regions that you want to have a more distinct view on. We then put together this information and data and deliver it to you in Excel format. In the end, you are enabled to do your own analysis on various countries and support your local sales departments or the general strategic decision-making process for entering and developing new market opportunities. Thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have about our custom research.